Good evening, my dear students. How are you today? Our lesson today is lesson 16.3, which is classify quadrilaterals. Classify quadrilaterals. Today we are going to know what is the difference between each quadrilateral. First, we need to know what is the meaning of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a shape that has four sides. Any shape that has four sides like that is called quadrilateral. Any shape that has four sides is called quadrilateral. Let's start. The first one, the first quadrilateral is parallelogram. Parallelogram. Again, parallelogram. Parallelogram. Parallelogram has two pairs of parallel sides. Parallelogram like that. It has two pairs of parallel sides like that. This side is parallel to this side, and also this side is parallel to this side. So this shape is called parallelogram. Parallelogram, again, parallelogram. Rectangle. Rectangle has four right angles. Four right angles mean four square corners. Like that, square corner, square corner, square corner, square corner. So rectangle has four right angle. It also a parallelogram. I can say the rectangle is parallelogram. So this is called rectangle and also parallelogram. Square has four right angles like that, four square corners, and all sides are the same. All sides are the same length. All sides are equal in length. It's, it's, it's a parallelogram and rectangle and rhombus. I can call the square parallelogram, rectangle and rhombus, rectangle and rhombus. The next one, rhombus. Rhombus is a quadrilateral that has opposite sides are parallel and all of its sides are the same length. Rhombus, all sides are equal in length. This side equals to this side, equals to this side, equal to this side, and each opposite sides are parallel. This side parallel to this side, and also this side is parallel to this side. It is also a parallelogram. I can say the rhombus is a parallelogram. So all quadrilateral are parallelogram except this one, trapezoid. Trapezoid. Trapezoid is a quadrilateral with only one pair of parallel sides. Has only one pair of parallel sides. Only two sides are parallel only. So it will be trapezoid. Trapezoid. Again, trapezoid. 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 Like that. Trapezoid. Rhombus. 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 Rhombus.
Rhombus. A quadrilateral that has opposite sides that are parallel and all of its sides are the same length.
Okay, let's move to our exercise. The first one, what is true about all quadrilateral? What is true about all quadrilateral? The true about all quadrilateral that they have all four sides. Each quadrilateral has four sides. That's the true about the quadrilateral. What is the difference between square and rhombus? The difference between square and rhombus, square, all sides are equal in length, also the rhombus. But the square has four sides, four right angles. but the rhombus, no. The rhombus has no right angle. The rhombus has no right angles. The square has four right angles, but the rhombus has no right angle. The next one, number 3. Shane drew a quadrilateral with at least two right angles, and at least one pair of parallel sides. Name 3 quadrilateral Shane could have drawn. We have at least two right angles and at least one pair of parallel sides. If you have right angle, so it will be rectangle or square. Rectangle or square. Rectangle or a square. Rectangle or square. Write all the names of possible for each quadrilateral. This quadrilateral is rectangle, and the rectangle also parallelogram. So it will be para first, the first name quadrilateral, second name parallelogram, third name rectangle, because the shape is rectangle, and rectangle also can be parallelogram and can be quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Here, this shape is parallelogram, and the parallelogram is quadrilateral. So it will be quadrilateral and parallelogram. This shape is a square, and the square can be quadrilateral and also rectangle and also rhombus and also what? Square. Square is the king of the shapes. It has all names like that. If you see the previous page here, square, parallelogram, rectangle, and rhombus. Parallelogram, rectangle, and rhombus. Let's see back again. Here, the square is quadrilateral. Number 2, parallelogram. Number 3, rectangle. Number 4, rhombus. The last name is square. Here, this shape is quadrilateral because it has 4 sides. Quadrilateral. But it cannot be trapezoid. This is not trapezoid because it has no parallel side. And the trapezoid has one pair of parallel sides. So this is not trapezoid. It's only quadrilateral. Now let's move to other exercise about this lesson. Here, write the names possible of each quadrilateral. This quadrilateral is parallelogram, 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 parallelogram. And what about this? This shape is rhombus, rhombus, and also parallelogram. Parallelogram, and it can be rhombus because all sides are equal in length. All sides are equal in length. Rhombus. This shape is square, and the square is parallelogram also, and the square can be rectangle, square can be rhombus, square the last name. So square can be parallelogram and rectangle and rhombus. This shape is rectangle. Rectangle can be parallelogram and rectangle can be rectangle. Let's move to another exercise. Number 13. Thea says every square is rectangle. Every square is rectangle. And every square is rhombus. So every rectangle must be rhombus. Do you agree? Again, Thea says every square is rectangle. Okay. And every square is rhombus. Okay. So every rectangle must be rhombus. Do you agree? Explain. Let's find what she means. Here is the answer is no. No, because rectangle rectangle has only two sides, two opposite sides equal in length. Equal in length. But the rhombus has all sides equal in length. So the rhombus, all of its sides equal in length, but the rectangle, each two opposite sides equal in length. Number 14, is it possible for a quadrilateral to be both a rhombus and a parallelogram? Yes, because the rhombus is already parallelogram. The rhombus is already a parallelogram. The rhombus is already a parallelogram. The next one, what number comes next in the pattern? The rule is multiply the position number by itself. Describe a feature of the pattern. The rule is multiply the position number by itself. Like that, 1 by 1 is 1, 2 by 2 is 4, 3 by 3 is 9. The position numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. 4 by 4, 16. So the next one, 5 by 5, is 25. The next one, all the sides of a equilateral triangle are the same. Length. Is an equilateral triangle also rhombus? Explain. No, the triangle cannot be rhombus because the triangle has three sides, while the rhombus has four sides. It's quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has four sides. The rhombus has four sides. Now we finished our lesson. I hope you understood this lesson well. Don't forget your online assignment. Have a nice day. Thank you.